Do not try this at home unless you have a parent's permission. Remember, I am a professional. Okay, I'm going to be showing you how to start a fire. Okay, step one is to find a good place, like this pit right here. This pit is full of like dirt and stuff, so it won't spread anywhere. So you can't have like grassy area like this or over there where it's all dead grass. That's really bad. So we come over here to the pit, and this is when we need to gather our items. First, we need to get some paper. Yeah, paper is like the most efficient thing. And yeah, and we need a lighter. The lighter is what we would need to start the fire. And we would need a lot of wood over here. And the wood would need to be small like this. Well, this is kind of medium sized. Or like this to start it. And we would work our way up to like stuff like this. Like this. And this big stuff. That's what we get the fire going with. We can also use wood like this, 2x4s. You do it, yep, it's pretty good. And while we would get the wood ready. When we get the wood ready, you would need to get it into a certain way where you can start the fire. You would need to snap the wood to the right size to get this going the way you need to. So you'd be like this, basically. And you would try to get it into a pyramid shape, which would work pretty good. But obviously it's too long still. Like this. Take it. Let's do that. It's way easier. It's small enough. And once you get that, you would have to get like newspaper, cardboard, anything, but I just got newspaper. You would crumple this up into a ball. And you would stick this like underneath it. Which is the best way because the fire will go up. And once you get it underneath, you would light it. Yeah, and if you don't have enough wood, obviously I don't, you would come over here. I'm in a woods, so I got plenty of this. You'd come over here and you would find like dead stuff. This green stuff does not burn. It's got too much water in it. So you would like snap it up and stuff. And then you would put this over it and all that. And then after you get it going quite good, you'd put slightly larger stuff over it. And then it would keep on rising and get larger and larger. Yep, and there's things you shouldn't put on fire, like plastic and stuff, because it's like toxic for people. And especially the number one thing you should not put on fire unless you have adults' permission, or mostly you should let adults use it, is this, gasoline. Really, 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 really flammable. The only people that, since I'm a professional, the only people that really should use this is me and Tony Curtis because we're awesome. You wouldn't want to go like that because it could catch on there, but you could go like this, lay it on the ground. Go like that. See that? And this thing can light up really fast. It's really bad, and it's pretty cool. See, that's dangerous, like that. Like that. That's really dangerous. And if you ever have cases like this, you should just go like that. And I don't know why it's not going out. So if that doesn't work, just come over here, got some dirt, put it out, Also, I got a shovel, just in case like that, you know, and just go like this. Puts fire out pretty easy, you know, pretty basic. Really dangerous stuff, that gasoline. I'd rather have you use lighter fluid because that doesn't flammable up. Like, it's not as flammable. And then, that's basically it, but just remember, don't use gasoline. It's really dangerous. Yep.